1, 2, play.
You catch up, babe. You got the run.
Oh my god, let's go! We're not gonna gap it if it's too big.
Sparkly.
Oh, it's perfect.
I can't imagine
Let's fucking go! Here, bring him over here.
how the world would be.
We're gonna have a freaking good dinner tonight, guys.
Not to see the gray squirrel climbing in an old tree.
Oh, nice.
Walk through a cornfield and not see the wild duck fly.